here's where some of the storm reports were. And if you'll notice, almost all of them were west of Indianapolis. That's where we saw, you know, Lindsay and Kelly were so busy yesterday. They did a fantastic job. Very proud of them. Look at this. Crawfordsville over to Greencastle. These are all storm reports. I'm going to show you these throughout the morning. Like in Danville, tree branches, trees down, right along 36. In fact, 36 for a time was actually blocked yesterday. Wind gusts at the airport at 5:30 in excess of 50 miles per hour. So here we are now with Doppler 13 and nothing going on in Marion County, but many of you are seeing some rain this morning. Let's take a trip to the northwest where we say good morning to all of you around Thorntown. Remember where the old Indiana Park was? That's where it's raining right now. And then near Linden and Attica, you go south, heavy rain. I think Mimi may be a little busy here. Take the pedal off the metal if you're going to be traveling on I-70 today, because it's pouring from Cloverdale all the way into Terre Haute, where there, by the way, is a flash flood watch this morning. Here's Bedford. You can see that the rain is falling there, and here's downtown Indy, where it's very, very humid. Currently, we're at 65. The dew point is 65, so the relative humidity is 100% out there this morning. And what a day with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Will top out at 82. Cicero, you're at 65. Greenwood's at 64 this morning. So it's really warm and sticky out there. Seymour and Bloomington both at 67. Well, what are we going to expect today? I think periods of sun and clouds and periods of showers and thunderstorms. 81 by 4 p.m. Today's high up to 82 degrees. And this is a look at future track. I'm taking you from this morning where we'll see scattered showers and thunderstorms into the middle part of the morning. This is actually when we're going to see some dry stuff. Now, this computer model in between 10:30 and 4:30 has, you know, these spotty showers and thunderstorms. Frankly, I think we're going to see more than that, okay? And I think these computer models are actually going to change as we get closer to that time period. Very heavy rain in our southern counties today. That's where there is a marginal risk of severe weather. If you were to draw a line from Franklin on south, that's where this is today. So here's the forecast. 82 for a high. The average high is 80. 67 this evening. Then tomorrow, more scattered showers and thunderstorms at 87. Wednesday, we have basically a dry day. It'll be quite humid. A mild day Thursday, and then isolated thunderstorms through the weekend. But Ben and Julia, every single day this week will be above average as this hot spring continues in Indiana.